Okay, y'all, so the next question is, how much do you list, or how much should we list our AirPod replicas for?
Business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B, back with another video. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you guys make an extra income. My channel is based upon showing you the journey of an entrepreneur, while also sharing my best practices and things that I have that work for me and things that have been working for me. And I'm just living a life. I'm not somebody that is just going to tell you I'm rich and you know, and everything I do is perfect, and I you know what, gold. I don't want to say the word, but I don't go. You know what I mean? We all make mistakes, and I just like to showcase mine. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm going to be answering some of your questions. Okay, so people ask me questions and the DMs, they ask me questions everywhere, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it becomes quite frustrating because I want to answer everybody, but I sort of kind of can't. But nevertheless, we're going to make it happen today. I'm going to answer most of the questions that I have chose on my list, and you know, let's get into it. And of course, while we do that, you know, I'm getting ready and everything. Today we have, let me move y'all back a little bit, but today on the agenda, I woke up at around 6 o'clock, no, 5:30, and I was working. Now it is about to be 12:48, and I'm ready to actually get up, get out, and start my day. What I usually do is I usually make sure that I wash my booty, wash my face, but now I have this hair out. I took my hair out, I need to wash my hair for sure, and then I need to condition my hair, need to get in the shower, do a skincare routine, because yes, I have a skincare routine as well. I feel like, you know what I mean, taking care of your skin is a really big thing, you know? Everybody should take care of their skin, but we're gonna do the first question. First question is from Instagram, my DM, yo bro, I'm looking to hop on the AirPod selling bandwagon. Interesting. What are your thoughts on bulk ordering them from D-Gate? I've done it once and the AirPods were okay quality. Any feedback appreciated. All right, so what I would say to that, right, is DH-Gate, or you know, yeah, DH-Gate, I never ever got AirPods from them. I choose to not get AirPods from certain people because I feel like AirPods, they are a tricky thing, right? So you can go ahead and get AirPods, and the AirPods you get seem good online. You can read the reviews. Some people pay for reviews. It's like you never know what you're gonna get. So me personally, I wouldn't get them from DH-Gate or whatever, whatever that is. But if you said they were top quality, I feel as though you should do it. I think a lot of people, they are too busy second guessing themselves. Yes, I sell AirPod replicas. Yes, I do know what the quality is. Yes, I do have so many reviews telling me how great they are. But if you want to get yours from AliExpress, DH-Gate, whatever, if you want to get a low costing AirPod for $5, $1, whatever, I feel like you should do it. And as that entrepreneur, you're gonna learn from that experience of buying cheap stuff and learning exactly what it gets you back. Now, if it gets you no returns and the customers aren't trying to return it and everything is cool, then you know, all right, this is my lane. You know, I sell cheap AirPods, nobody complains, whoop-de-whoop, that's good. I think that we all learn from our experiences and our failures. All right, so the next question, one second. The next question, guys, is Brandon, what do you hate about phone flipping? All right, so guys, when it comes to phone flipping, what do I hate? I wouldn't say I hate anything. I would say like one of the biggest pain points that I go through is finding phones that lead me to residual customers. Like I tell you guys all the time, I love residual customers, right? My main thing is I don't want to just get customers that are going to sell me phones one time. So I love to get residual, and now with Apple putting out the eSIMs, it's so hard to get residual sellers because they can't get their hands on the phones fast enough. So that's one of my biggest things, because I want to know, all right, 5 people going to send me 18 phones this week. You know what I mean? But other than that, I think as a starter with phone flipping, one of the things that I hated was meetups. I just didn't like meeting up. I wanted some way, somehow for me to be able to do this without meeting up with people, because I just feel like it's me putting myself in danger. And I've done it so many times that I've seen that it actually is true. It's dangerous. But that would really be what I don't like about phone flipping, which meeting up is imperative. You know, you should meet up and should want to see the phone. So, you know, if I don't like it, who cares? Because I don't, because I still love money and I want to get the money, and that's what we finna do. All right, so we got another question or statement. This person says, hey, I'm a new interested person in learning more about your services and learning how to make money. I'm 18 years old. I fear working a 9-to-5 job, so I was on the internet searching for ways to make consistent money, and I came across you. Text me when you can talk. Thanks. That's another question, but I've read this because I have about 56 DMs right now saying the same exact thing, and I want to answer. I want to answer this right now because I feel like it's something people need to hear. If you fear working a 9-to-5 job and you're looking on the internet how to make another route, how to make money in another way from working 9 to 5, you are doing the wrong thing. Now let me explain to you why. And I want you guys to see if this makes sense. If you are 18 years old, you're in high school, you just graduated, whatever, you live with your moms, you live with your pops, right? You live with your mom and your dad. You don't have no bills really. They pay your cell phone bill. You finna get off of that, I understand. Let's just say you have no responsibilities, technically, okay? Some of you might have some, right? What I would say is, do not knock a 9-to-5 job if you have not tried it. I'll say it again, do not knock a 9-to-5 job if you have not tried it. And the reason why is because the reason I don't want to work a 9-to-5 is because I worked one before. And I've worked one before and I didn't like it. And I also understood that the passion and the skill that I possessed wasn't used in the right manner with me working a 9-to-5 job. Now, I had to work 9-to-5 jobs at certain points in my life to learn how to maneuver my business. Because if you can't be a good worker, you can't be a good boss. If you don't know how to get your butt up every day at 9 and clock in, well, no, not even 9. But if you know how to wake your butt up if you can't wake your butt up before 9 so you can get to work at 9, and then clock out at 5, come home, make sure that you're working on your business, you're not ready to be an entrepreneur. You're not ready to be a business owner, because it takes time to understand exactly how you need to develop a strong, non-combative, always student learning, non-fearing mentality, okay? Discipline is essential. You have to have discipline. So I would definitely say, don't ever say you fear working a 9-to-5. Instead, figure out what you want to do in life. If what you want to do is something that gets you money off the rip, then all right, bet. But I'm not going to be one of the YouTubers that sit there and tell you that, hey, yeah, bro, you cannot ever work a 9-to-5 and just maintain. And it takes so much just to even be at this point. It takes so many failures, so many days where you crying, so many days where you don't got it and you trying to figure out how you going to get it. It takes so much. So don't try to skip that journey, and don't think that watching these YouTubers are going to help you skip that journey. No matter what YouTuber you watch, They have journeys, they have things that they went through, and they're trying to teach you how to get to their point, but they're not telling you and describing to you the pain that they had to endure to get to that point. So please don't ever think that the glitter and gold is really shimmering. Understand that where you're at is perfect. It's perfect. All you have to do is go through your journey. Now, yes, you can learn from people. You can put different things in play, but please don't knock something you ain't tried.
Okay, y'all, so the next question is, how much do you list, or how much should we list our AIRPOD replicas for? So guys, you guys wanna know how much you should list your AIRPOD replicas for. What I would say is this: it depends on the platform.
But that's why I try to show you guys all the time how to do product research. All you have to do literally is look at what's sold on what platform, or look for what is selling on the platforms. So what I would say is make sure that you do your product research. I could tell you what I would sell them for, but it doesn't matter, because it doesn't necessarily mean your post is gonna sell for that much. I can have a certified account or a verified account that's done a couple sales, and I can easily, not saying I will, but I can easily sell it for 200, 150. I can go into my store and sell them for 250, the same price that they sell them in real life, you know? So what I would say is do your market research. So what you do, go to like OfferUp, go to like MERCARI, places like that, and look at the ones that are sold. I know on MERCARI you can do it, on eBay you can't, but what I would do is look at what are selling. Look at the hot items, or the hot sellers, which means like the sellers that are selling, it says like sold 2 in 1 hour, 5 in 1 hour. The ones that have AirPods listed, look for those. Once you find those, then you know, okay, this is exactly where I need to be and what I need to list. So make sure you do your research, but if you want an exact number, what I would start with is $150 or $130, nothing really more. $140, $145, I would start with that amount.
Next question is, if you could start with one electronic product to start flipping, what product would you start with?
Good question. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know what I'm finna choose.
You know exactly what products I like to sell, because I really over talk about them. I would say, like, I talk about them a lot.
But if I was just starting out,
what I would sell would be the 20-watt adapters. So the Type-C adapters, the one that don't come in the Apple box, of course. I would sell that before anything, because I know for a fact every time somebody opens the Apple box, they're not gonna have a brick. So I know for a fact they're gonna go online and look before they buy from a sales rep in the store. So those are like my favorite electronics to buy, and they don't cost that much. You can get them literally on our site for less than $5. So each. So I mean, that's a good price, because you sell them for $15. If you go to like flea markets or pop-up shops, you can sell them things for $20. You can make bundle deals. You can do all of that. So it's like, those are like the type of items I look for. Items where I know for a fact people are gonna need them. You know what I mean? People are gonna need them, and when they need them, they gonna come to me. You know what I mean? So that's exactly what I would do.
okay guys, so that will be it for today. I am about to finish up some work. I'm gonna add some more questions in another video, but I wanted to touch on at least some of the questions, and I can't wait to get to the rest of them. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you need help with anything, never ever hesitate to ask me any questions. I would do my best to make sure that I guide you guys in the right direction. I want everybody to succeed. I hope you guys want it as bad as you want to breathe, just like me. And just keep dreaming, yo. All the 18-year-olds asking questions, you guys got it. Never knock something you haven't done, no matter what people are saying. Live it out for yourself and try it, and just try it, you know? You never know what can happen or how you feel. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace.